Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and if you've ever wanted some nice vector-free artwork, a gentleman has put them on his website and he gives them away. He actually stated if you want to pay anything for them, just make a donation to your favorite charity. So he's doing it kind of out of the love of the art, and there's several that are free. I mean, here's even a fire department one, even with cut rings. He's the same person that does this monogram font that I just did. And if you'll look at monogram font, I actually put the link, and I will put the link to this up here, and just go to layeredpaperart.com and press enter and go right down here to free files. And you've got animals, babies, badges, happy birthday, boxes. I haven't even looked but two of these yet, but he's made it so easy. So let's go to animals. And let's say you want that buck that I've already got. Let's say you want this butterfly. This is how easy it is. Download the zip file, and right here, it's going to be a CDR file. Just click on it, and there's that butterfly. Not only is it a vector file, you could do things with it, and you could cut it out and not have this outer boundary, and use that for a graphic. I mean, butterflies, cats, dogs and cats, fish. I mean, look at that graphic right there. It would have taken you, quite a while, but he's got it in AI, PDF, but just go to the Corel and just double click on it, and it'll open up in your Corel, and it is 100% vector, clean, free artwork. Anyway, I'll put the link at the bottom of the video. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.